Birthday party magician. You should know that in a little while he'll be gone, this time to a room too bright for shadows. He won't return. His life is a river that has meandered itself at last to stillness. You must sense his disappointment where you are. If you think he still has power over you, it's because you still grant it to him. Can't you see how ridiculous he is? A cloud of red smoke, a bag of corny tricks. Nothing comes from nothing. Nothing in the wind pushes against your coat as you walk to school. Belief is ignorance, amazement, laziness, applause, the emptiest of gestures. Better to learn how something is done. Enchanted things become more enchanted once they are explained. He's already shrunk to your size. He wets his bed. He lives in a room of board games and photo albums and chamfered corners. Where are his powers now? Where is his magic? My darlings, please, no more mysteries, no more lies.